Little storyteller.
As the last bit of orange sun disappeared, the night market began to twinkle with lights, parked neatly in their places. All day were the happy street food carts, each waiting for the busy evening. Tonight was special, the night of the secret slow-motion race. A little blue satay grill cart, with cheerful yellow wheels, and a smiling cartoon flame painted on its side, wobbled ever so slightly. Inside, a tiny chef with a tall white hat polished his skewers. His name was Sammy Satay. "Almost time," he whispered to the skewers, which seemed to gleam in reply. Nearby, a bright pink Apam Balik stall, shaped like a giant open pancake, hummed softly. Its owner, a friendly lady with rosy cheeks and a sprinkle-patterned apron, carefully arranged jars of colorful fillings. Her name was Amy Apam. The stall had big, round eyes painted on the front, that blinked slowly. When the very last sliver of sun vanished, a tiny bell on a postilla ice cream cart jingled softly. The signal. Slowly, ever so slowly, the street food carts began to move. Sammy Satay's little blue cart glided forward on its yellow wheels. Amy Apam's pink stall followed gently, its big round eyes looking straight ahead. Other carts joined the slow parade. There was a noodle cart with a waving cat figure on top, and a juice stall with colorful spinning straws. They all moved at a snail's pace, careful not to spill anything. It was a very quiet and careful race to get to the best spots, where many hungry people would come. Sammy Satay wanted a spot near the big fountain, where the lights danced on the water. Amy Apam hoped to be close to the playground, where happy children played. They moved slowly, side by side for a while. Sammy smiled at Amy, and Amy blinked her big round eyes in return. Slowly, slowly, they reached their favorite spots. Sammy Satay parked near the sparkling fountain, its water lit up in many colors. Amy Apam gently rolled to a stop, near the happy sounds of children laughing at the playground. All the other carts found their own perfect places too. Soon people filled the night market, their happy voices and laughter mixing with the delicious smells of satay and sweet Apam Balik. Sammy happily grilled his skewers, and Amy made fluffy pancakes with yummy fillings. Even though it was a race, they were all happy to share the busy night market with each other. It was more fun when everyone was there. As the night ended and the stars shone brightly, all the street food carts stood happily in their spots, ready for another night. They learned that even in a race, it's nice to see friendly faces along the way. And did you know, moving slowly and carefully helps you avoid bumps and spills.
Please subscribe. Thank you.